Hello, our YouTube family. I am Yogita. Welcome to our channel BBF Brainbuster Fix. Start with a new hope. To live a creative life, we must lose the fear of being wrong. If you are new on this channel, then first subscribe my channel for the amazing facts. Today we are talking about Bengal, the city of many names. Calcutta has many nicknames which include City of Joy, the City of Processions, the City of Palaces and the cultural capital of India. Howrah station is the busiest station in India. It also has biggest station complex. Approximately over 974 trains pass through the platform of Howrah Junction. The number of people traveling through Howrah is over 3 million daily. The number are huge, isn't it? It has 23 platforms, all of which run parallel to each other. One of the most amazing features of Howrah Junction is that there is a road which divides the station into two. Hard to believe but true, the Howrah Bridge was built without the use of a single nut and screw to join the array of metallic structure making up the gigantic structure of the bridge. This is one of the oldest hanging bridges in the world with no pillar supporting its suspension over the Hooghly River. Having been there for more than 7 decades, the Howrah Bridge was witnessed some of the major historic events of the world, including the Second World War. Calcutta was home to 5 Nobel laureates that include Sir Ronald Ross, Rabindranath Tagore, Sir C.V. Raman, Amartya Sen and Mother Teresa. Sir Ronald Ross was a British medical doctor who received the Nobel Prize for Physiology for his work on transmission of malaria. Rabindranath Tagore, he was a Bengali poet. Writer the Nobel Prize in Literature was awarded to Rabindranath Tagore. Sir C.V. Raman, he was an Indian physicist known mainly for his work in the field of light scattering. The Nobel Prize in the physics was awarded to C.V. Raman. Amartya Sen, he is an Indian economist who was awarded to the Nobel Prize in Economic Science. Mother Teresa, she is known for her fabulous work in helping the poor. She was the first woman with close Indian ties to get the Nobel Peace Prize. The Great Banyan Tree, the Botanical Garden of Kolkata, has been the house of the world's largest tree. A banyan tree whose circumference is more than 330 meters. The large size of the tree and the great number of aerial roots that grows from the branches and spread vertically to the ground makes it appear like a dense forest rather than as an individual tree. The sight of this magnificent element of the nature is an attractive point to many nature-loving tourists visiting West Bengal. The city of trams, train and hand-pulled rickshaws. Kolkata is the only city in India with hand-pulled rickshaws, the oldest running electric tram system in India as well, as the whole of Asia is in Kolkata, which adds to the state's rich culture and heritage. Many tourists come to Kolkata to experience the ride of the heritage tram and relive the age-old charm of the snail piece transportation which trails across the City of Joy. Port of Kolkata is the oldest operating port of India. ये पोर्ट 1870 में ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के द्वारा बनाया गया था. Indian ports are getting drastically strong and beautiful. With the increase in trade and commerce, the sea and river ports have flourished and emancipated since the times of independence. Chinese cuisine, which is not Chinese by the way. Kolkata is considered the birthplace of a fusion cuisine now popular as Indian Chinese. The National Library of India, situated in Kolkata, is the largest public library in the country. Columbus of Rasgulla, who landed in Bengal, a confectioner called Nobin Chandra Das invented the popular sweet meat Rasgulla and it became famous in no time. Squeeze a Bengali's favorite Rasgulla a little and the sugar syrup will drip away. Mingle with Bengali people and you will understand why the Bengali language has been voted as the sweetest language in the world by UNESCO. As a matter of fact, our craving for sweets seems to have made the language we speak rich and delectable. Of course, we cannot ignore the grand poets Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay and Rabindranath Tagore for their humongous contribution in Bengali literature. So that's it for today's video. If you like Rasgulla, then please squeeze the like button, subscribe our channel for the upcoming interesting videos, comment down if you love Rasgulla and the beautiful state Bengal, share with your loved ones, press the bell icon too for the notifications. Thank you for watching, be safe and be happy.